In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with images in Google Docs, step by step. Whether you're building a report, a flyer, or study notes, images can make your document clearer and more engaging. Let's walk through how to insert a picture, control how text flows around it, and make quick edits without losing your layout. Start by placing your cursor where you want the image to appear. Go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and then pick where to upload from. You can pull a photo from your computer, Google Drive, or a web link, among other options. Once you select your file, it will drop right into the document at your cursor. Click the image to reveal its editing controls. You'll see blue handles on the corners for resizing, a small toolbar for formatting, and layout options beneath the image. These controls are your main hub for positioning and styling. Next, choose how your text flows. Inline treats the image like a big character in the sentence. It moves with the line and is great for simple documents. Wrap text lets the words flow around the picture, which is perfect for placing images beside paragraphs. You can fine-tune the spacing around the image so the text doesn't feel cramped. Break text keeps the picture on its own line, putting text above and below it for a clean separation. Behind text places the image behind your words, useful for subtle backgrounds or watermarks. Just make sure the text stays easy to read. To move the image, simply drag it. This works best when wrap text is selected because it gives you the most flexible placement. With inline or break text, the image will snap to the line where your cursor is. To resize, drag a blue corner handle. Corners keep the proportions correct. Side handles can stretch the image and distort it. If the picture looks fuzzy, try using a higher resolution version. To crop, select the image and click the crop icon. Black handles will appear. Drag them to trim the edges to exactly what you need, then click outside the image or press enter to apply. For appearance tweaks, you can add a border and adjust its color and thickness, or open the format options to change brightness, contrast, transparency, or apply a subtle recolor. If you want to swap the picture without disrupting your layout, right-click and choose Replace Image. Google Docs will keep the same size and wrapping, and if you need to undo your edits, right-click and choose Reset Image to restore the original. On mobile, you can resize and rotate images with touch, but some features are limited. And that's it. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.